Women after 65. Chia water. Every morning for 7 days. What no one tells you. Margaret, 71, couldn't button her blouse anymore. Her fingers were so stiff each morning that simple tasks became impossible. After drinking chia water for just 3 days, she was threading needles again. But that's not even the most surprising part. What happened to her blood sugar by day 7 made her doctor demand to know exactly what she was doing. Today, I'm revealing what no one tells you about chia water after 65, including the one morning mistake that ruins everything. Day 1. The digestive reset. You wake up feeling heavy, bloated, and uncomfortable, that familiar morning sluggishness that makes you dread getting out of bed. Within 2 hours of your first chia water, something shifts. After 65, your stomach produces less acid than a teenager's. Food sits, ferments, and creates gas. You feel full after tiny meals but hungry an hour later. Your intestines move slowly, like traffic during rush hour. Chia water changes this completely. When chia seeds absorb water, they expand to 12 times their size. But here's what's different for you. That gel doesn't just add fiber. It actually coats your intestinal walls, healing tiny tears and inflammation you've had for years. It sweeps through like a gentle broom, collecting waste that's been stuck for days, even weeks. The ancient Aztecs knew something we forgot. They called chia seeds strength food, because warriors could run all day on just one spoonful. But they always soaked them first, never ate them dry. They understood that the gel was the medicine, not the seed. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in a full glass of room-temperature water. Let it sit for exactly 15 minutes. This timing matters more than you think. At 10 minutes, the seeds are too hard. At 20 minutes, they're too thick to drink comfortably. 15 minutes creates the perfect consistency for healing. Drink it immediately upon waking, 30 minutes before any food or coffee. Your empty stomach needs to absorb the gel without interference. Coffee especially blocks the healing compounds. Within 2 hours, you'll feel movement, not urgent, but natural relief. Your stomach feels lighter. By evening, you notice less bloating after dinner. Some women report their pants feeling looser by bedtime. Here's what ruins everything on day 1, using hot water. Heat destroys the omega-3s completely. Also, pre-making it the night before cuts the potency by 50%. Fresh preparation keeps the healing compounds active. Nancy, 67, said she hadn't felt this comfortable after eating in 15 years. Tomorrow, the inflammation starts leaving your body. Day 2. Inflammation disappears. Martha from Illinois couldn't believe it. Her knuckles, swollen for 5 years, looked almost normal. The wedding ring she hadn't worn since 2019 slipped on easily. Chronic inflammation destroys you from the inside. It's in your joints, making them ache. In your brain, causing fog. In your blood vessels, raising pressure rises. After 65, your body can't control inflammation like it used to. It attacks healthy tissue, thinking it's protecting you. Chia seeds contain more omega-3s than salmon, not just a little more, 3 times more per ounce. These aren't regular omega-3s either. They're ALA omega-3s, which your aging body converts directly into anti-inflammatory compounds. But here's the morning secret. On an empty stomach, these omega-3s absorb 90% better. With food, only 40% gets through. That's why timing matters so much. These omega-3s rebuild your cell membranes. Every single cell gets stronger, more flexible. They keep inflammation out and let nutrients in. Your joints stop grinding. Your brain clears. Even your skin looks less puffy. Continue with the same morning mixture, but add this crucial step. After drinking, wait exactly 20 minutes, then drink another full glass of plain water. This second glass activates the anti-inflammatory compounds. Without it, they sit in your stomach doing nothing. The water pushes the gel through your system, carrying omega-3s to every corner of your body. Your liver processes them into DHA and EPA, the same compounds in expensive fish oil supplements, but fresher and more bioavailable. Joint stiffness decreases noticeably. Fingers move more easily. That grinding in your knees softens. Martha noticed her rings fitting better as finger swelling reduced. The constant ache that follows you everywhere begins to quiet. Watch this sign. Your morning stiffness time shortens. If it usually takes 30 minutes to loosen up, today it's 20 minutes. That's inflammation markers dropping. Blood tests would show your CRP levels decreasing, but you'll feel it first. Tell me in the comments if you're dealing with any of these issues. I'll try to reply with personal tips when I can. Skip the second glass of water and you've wasted your time. The omega-3s need that push to circulate properly. Day 3. Energy without coffee. You haven't felt this alert in years. Not jittery coffee energy that crashes by noon, but deep, sustained power that lasts until bedtime. By 2 p.m., instead of needing a nap, you're still going strong. Chia Seeds create something called gel electrolytes in your stomach. These aren't in any supplement. They only form when chia gel mixes with your stomach acid. These electrolytes feed your cells directly, like plugging in a phone charger. The protein in chia seeds, 20% by weight, is a complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. Your muscles use it immediately for repair. The complex carbohydrates release glucose so slowly that your blood sugar stays perfect for 6 hours straight. But the real energy secret is the B vitamins. Chia seeds contain all 8 B vitamins your body needs for energy production. They're already in the perfect ratios, unlike synthetic vitamins that your body can't use properly. Same morning routine, but now add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. The vitamin C doesn't just add flavor, it increases nutrient absorption by 40%. The citric acid also helps your stomach produce more digestive enzymes, multiplying the energy benefit. One more thing. The magnesium in chia seeds, 95 milligrams per ounce, relaxes your blood vessels. Better blood flow means more oxygen to your brain and muscles. You're not imagining the energy. Your cells are literally getting more fuel. Physical tasks feel easier. Walking upstairs doesn't wind you. Grocery shopping doesn't exhaust you. That afternoon slump disappears completely. Mental clarity improves too. You can focus on tasks without getting distracted. Patricia, 68, told us she cleaned her entire house in one day, something she hadn't done in 5 years. Her daughter asked if she was taking something new. Adding honey or sugar ruins everything. These simple sugars compete with chia's complex carbs, causing the energy crashes you're trying to avoid. Lemon or lime only. Day 4. Blood sugar, miracle. Patricia watched her glucose monitor in disbelief. Her morning blood sugar, usually 140, was 98. Her doctor had been threatening medication for 2 years. Chia seeds form a physical barrier in your stomach. This gel coating slows sugar absorption by up to 50%. Your pancreas doesn't have to work as hard. Insulin stays steady instead of spiking and crashing. Most people don't know that blood sugar problems cause premature aging. Every spike damages your blood vessels, creating tiny tears. These tears accumulate, leading to heart problems, vision issues, and nerve damage. Stable blood sugar literally keeps you younger at the cellular level. The soluble fiber in chia, 11 grams per ounce, is special. It feeds your good gut bacteria, which produce compounds that improve insulin sensitivity. Your cells actually become better at using glucose. Some people reduce their diabetes medication after a few months, always with doctor supervision. Continue your morning routine, but add a half teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon. Not regular cinnamon, Ceylon. Regular cassia cinnamon contains coumarin, which can damage your liver in high doses. Ceylon cinnamon is safe and enhances chia's blood sugar benefits by another 29%. Here's what you'll notice. No more sugar cravings after meals. That desperate need for dessert disappears. Energy stays steady. Mood swings reduce. Your thinking becomes clearer because your brain has steady fuel instead of sugar roller coasters. The gel also slows down how fast your stomach empties. You stay full longer, eat less, and still have energy. Patricia lost 4 pounds in the first week without trying, just from eating less because she wasn't hungry. If you take diabetes medication, monitor it closely. Some women need dosage adjustments within days. Your doctor will be impressed, but make changes only under supervision. How old are you? Say it in the comments. I'm curious who's watching and trying these routines. Day 5. Mental fog lifts completely. The fog lifts like curtains opening. Words come instantly. You remember why you walked into a room. That frustrating mental sluggishness that made you feel older than your years vanishes. Your brain needs fat to function. It's literally made of fat. But not just any fat. It needs omega-3 DHA specifically. Most women over 65 are severely deficient because they've been told to avoid fats for decades. Chia seeds deliver these critical fats directly to your brain. The omega-3s repair the myelin sheath around your neurons. Think of it like replacing worn insulation on electrical wires. Signals travel faster, thoughts connect more easily. The stable blood sugar from chia means your brain never runs out of fuel. No more confusion at 3 p.m., no more searching for words, no more embarrassing moments when you can't remember your neighbor's name. But here's what really happens. Chia seeds increase BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. This is like fertilizer for your brain. It helps grow new brain cells and connections. Yes, you can grow new brain cells at 65, 75, or even 85. After preparing your chia water, stir it well for better distribution. This isn't mystical. It just ensures even gel formation and better nutrient availability. The anthocyanins in chia seeds, the compounds that make them dark, protect your brain from oxidative stress. They're like rust protection for your neurons. Your risk of cognitive decline drops significantly. Memory improves noticeably. You remember where you put your keys. Phone numbers come back. You can follow complex TV plots again. Crossword puzzles that frustrated you become enjoyable. Conversations flow without those awkward pauses. Many women report feeling mentally younger, sharper, and more like themselves. One woman said she started reading novels again after giving up because she couldn't follow the stories. Missing even one day interrupts the brain repair process. Your neurons need consistent omega-3 delivery. Set an alarm, make it non-negotiable. Day 6, deep sleep returns. Dorothy hadn't slept through the night in 3 years. On night 6, she woke up at 6 a.m. confused. She'd slept 7 straight hours without waking once. Sleep problems after 65 aren't just about age. Your body stops producing enough melatonin. Your blood sugar drops at 3 a.m., waking you up. Pain and inflammation keep you tossing. Chia seeds address all 3 problems simultaneously. The tryptophan in chia seeds, the amino acid that makes turkey make you sleepy, converts to serotonin, then melatonin. But unlike sleeping pills, this is your body's natural sleep hormone. You fall asleep more easily and stay asleep longer. The magnesium relaxes your muscles completely. No more leg cramps, no more restless legs, no more waking up with a sore back. Your whole body finally relaxes into deep restorative sleep. The stable blood sugar prevents those 3 a.m. wake-ups. Your brain doesn't panic from low glucose. You sleep through until morning. Some women report vivid, pleasant dreams returning after years of dreamless sleep. Keep your morning routine identical, but add this evening practice. 2 hours before bed, drink half a glass of water with half a tablespoon of chia seeds. This smaller dose enhances sleep without causing bathroom trips. The calcium in chia seeds, 18% of your daily need, helps your brain use tryptophan to make melatonin. It's like giving your brain the tools it needs to help you sleep. Deep sleep changes everything. You wake refreshed, not exhausted. That morning's grogginess that lasted until noon disappears. You bounce out of bed ready for the day. Your skin looks better because growth hormone is released during deep sleep. Dorothy said she felt like a different person. Her family noticed she was happier, more patient, more like her old self. Good sleep affects everything. Don't take the evening dose later than 2 hours before bed. Any later causes bathroom trips that defeat the purpose. Rate your current health from 1 to 10 in the comments. It helps me tailor the next videos. Day 7. Complete transformation. 7 days. That's all it took. You look in the mirror and see changes you didn't expect. Your skin looks plumper, hydrated from within. Those deep lines around your mouth softened. Your eyes look brighter, more alive. But the real changes are invisible. Your inflammation markers dropped, blood sugar stabilized, cholesterol improved, blood pressure decreased. Your gut microbiome is completely rebalanced, all from 1 tablespoon of seeds each morning. You didn't just add nutrients, you transformed how your body works. Every cell membrane became healthier, every organ system functions better, your biological age actually decreased in measurable ways. The compound effects are just beginning. Week 2 brings deeper healing. Month 1, people ask what you're doing differently. Month 3, your doctor wants to know your secret. Some women reduce or eliminate medications they've taken for years. Continue the morning routine, but now you can customize based on your biggest need. For energy, always add lemon. For brain health, never skip the morning timing. For sleep, maintain the evening dose. For inflammation, that second glass of water is non-negotiable. The ancient Mayans believed chia seeds were magical. They weren't wrong. 1 tablespoon contains calcium, phosphorus, manganese, omega-3s, protein, fiber, antioxidants, and every B vitamin. No other food matches this nutrient density. But here's the final secret: consistency compounds. Each day builds on the previous. Skip a day and you go backward. Stay consistent and the benefits multiply exponentially. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 glass of room temperature water, 15-minute soak, drink immediately upon waking. Second glass of water 20 minutes later. Simple, powerful, life-changing. 7 days from now, you'll understand why ancient warriors called chia running food. You'll have energy, clarity, and comfort you haven't felt in decades.